Do you ever feel like you're on the outside looking in? Like you're on the verge of discovering the truth behind all your unanswered questions? But not quite. What is it about the natural world that makes us feel so small, so incredibly irrelevant, yet so determinedly connected? Are we being controlled by the idea of the divine? Or are we being maneuvered into believing that life is but a series of escapades? Let's put ourselves in the spectator's shoes for a moment, shall we? The eye in the sky that sees all, but interferes with none. Are we all in all one? Do our hearts beat to the same drum? Are we as vast as the universe, or are we as insignificant as one breadcrumb? Now dig a little deeper. Why are we born innocent and fail to expand into something steeper? I'll make an attempt at sharing my perspective. We are nothing and no one if we can't function as creatures of the collective.